A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe. Mamukase. Welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And my name is Ronald Wekwamakusha. So this morning, we need to take a look and reflect on a prophecy which was given, and it seems to have passed. And we need to take a look onto this carefully. Remember, a few days ago, on the 29th, we heard about a plane crash which happened in Mashava area. Some kilometers away from Mashava, I think around 6 kilometers from Mashava, a Murowa Diamonds, Rio's Murowa Diamonds airplane had a crash, and it killed the owner of Murowa Diamonds together with his son and other 4 people who were on board. They all died there and they were dismembered. So this is something which was posted on Twitter on the 27th. And Sabo Kunopi said, "I'm not a prophet, but I saw a plane crash which claimed the life of a prominent person in Zimbabwe." He said this on the 27th. Let us put the date right here onto the screen so that you understand this. He said this on the 27th. This is the date, Team Zimbabwe, 27th September 2023 at around 12:37 a.m. And it's very important to understand. He said, "I'm not a prophet, but I saw a plane crash which claimed the life of a prominent person in Zimbabwe." So if you take a look onto the Murowa Diamonds owner, he's a very prominent person, a very rich person. And if you listen to several people, Wopo confirmed that he has met that person, Temba Mliswa. We have seen claims from Temba Mliswa, from a lot of people in the political cycles. We have seen them actually claiming that they were very close to this billionaire. So he's a billionaire of Indian origin, but he perished together with other 3 people from India, one of them, his son, and 2 other people from Zimbabwe. So it's a sad situation, a sad event which happened there, and may their souls rest in eternal peace. But this was something which was foretold before it even happened. So let us take a look on the comments and hear what people had to say. Okay, zvikanzi, well, it takes constant money to maintain ndege dzekubirira vanhu. Okay, this is what Amaizu said. Zvikanzi, saka musaziva sei kuti prominent person kana musina kuona munhu wacho. Okay, zvikanzi problem kana tichitaura muteereri mamunzwa prominent adonha nendege, Mwari vanyaradze mhuri yasiyiwa. Okay, zvikanzi, who is the prominent person? So a lot of people wanted to know the name of the people. This was a conversation on the 27th. So I also don't know. I only saw a plane crash and the people were shouting, "Hii vana varimo nematambudziko." This is the second time I'm seeing this. Maybe we are getting close. Only God knows. Okay, so vana varimo, I believe mamune mwana wacho, which means it shows kuti sabhuku vakanga vaonawo zvemachokwadi. I always say the issue of seeing things happening, a lot of people around us, they see things happening, and it's only a matter of not understanding what those visions will be saying. Then the Lord said unto me, the prophets prophesy. The prophets, okay, I've lost this. Let me bring it back. Okay, then the Lord said unto me, the prophets prophesy lies in my name. I send them not, neither have I commanded them, neither speak unto them. They prophesy unto you a false vision and divination, and a thing of naught, and the deceit of their heart. Okay, so this was somebody who was replying. This is Zaman who was replying to Sabukuno Pishgans. At least there's a disclaimer: I'm not a prophet, so that verse do not apply to me. If I was a prophet, yes, but I said I'm not a prophet. But that's what I saw. People see things differently, maybe through dreams, through Francis, etc. So this is a conversation on the 27th, and on the 29th, we all heard about the plane crash which claimed the lives of Murowa Diamonds leader, or the owner of Murowa Diamonds. And this is the report, which then circulated soon after, where 6 people perished in Mashaba air crash. So it is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. We do not live forever on this earth, and it happens. Sometimes God uses other people to actually notify us about some things which are to come, and we only need to pray and pray so hard that we get saved. So I do not know, guys, what you think about this Sabukunopi. So let us have a discussion in the comment section. What do you think about this Sabukunopi? What he said, is this a real prophecy or it's something else? I do not know, guys. Let us have a discussion and let us talk in the comment section. Let me take just a few comments if there are any. Okay, hanzi iwo uri benzi kana usina zvekutaura nyarara. Okay, this is Randman sub. Okay, iwo Randman kana usina zvekuona, you can better go, because this is our platform and we do what we want with this platform. If you feel that what we are doing on the platform at that moment in time does not do well with you, you can simply skip and go. This is something which I made a decision to bring here, because most of the time I listen to the people who follow us here. If something is brought to my attention, I have to bring it on a program. And I have been doing this for a very long time. I bring so many stories which originate from other people, not from myself. So I brought this story because it was brought to my attention, and I made a decision to actually cover it and ask, is this a prophecy or what? So it is what it is, and I do not care what you think about all these issues. Our duty and our role here is to make sure that we inform the people about what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe, and this is part of informing the people about what is happening. It's a sad story that we lost the biggest mine in the Zhishavane area of Murowa Diamonds in a plane crash, and we just needed to reflect and take a look onto this. Was this a prophecy or not? I do not know. So it is what it is. Let us talk in the comment section. My name is Ronald Okomakusha.